So today we are going to learn how to calibrate a pocket-sized pH meter. So I'm going to show you how you can calibrate this machine. So it comes with the buffer powder, buffer 6.86 and also buffer 4.01 or 4.0 depending. So with this powder you'll be able to calibrate your pH meter. So now the step you should take is you get a distilled water, about 250 ml distilled water, and then you dissolve each of these buffer powders in the distilled water. Now we've done that already. You can see here that we have 250 ml distilled water, that's 250 milliliters of distilled water, and we've dissolved the buffer 4.0. We've also dissolved buffer 6.86 in another 250 milliliters of distilled waters. So I might be using mil and milliliters interchangeably. So here we have our pen. This is the calibration pen that comes with the meter, and also this is the meter itself. Now one thing you should know about this meter is that it is manually calibrated. Manually in the sense that you have to, with the pen just behind it here, tweak this screw either left or right to get exactly the reading here. So I'm going to show you in a bit how to do that. This is the switch just right above it. So you turn it on and it's on. You take off the cap. First, you rinse the pH meter in just a little volume of distilled water. After doing that, then you dip into your solution. So I'm going to start with the 4.0 solution, and then you just wait for the reading to stabilize, and here we are getting about 2.9. Now with our device, which is the calibration pen, we have to tweak our meter so that we'll have this reading 4.0. So I'm going to do that right now. Now that we've calibrated the meter, let's test it on our solutions and see that that's correct. So I'm dipping this in a 6.8 and I'll let it fluctuate until it's stable. So it's stable at 6.8. So I'm going to rinse it off.
Simmyfranks, advancing science, empowering Africa.